Hello guys. You may have already learned that learning English is only possible if you follow bilingual method, the only way to learning English fastest and even to the level of your mother language. Now this video is about bicycle from EL Tibbets. Hope you'll enjoy and subscribe to my channel. Will's bicycle has a flat tire. He cannot ride it. He has to repair a puncture. He does not need to pay the man at the bicycle shop to mend it. He can repair it himself. He has taken out the inner tube. He has tested it and has found the puncture. The test is easy. You get a bucket of water. You blow up the inner tube with a bicycle pump and put the tube into the water, bit by bit. You move the tube round till you see a stream of air bubble coming up through the water. You mark the place where the air is coming out with a special pencil. Will has one of these pencils. His father has given him a repair outfit. The pencil is in the outfit. He has marked the place where the puncture is. When the inner tube is dry, he is going to stick a rubber patch on the puncture. He is going to stick it on with rubber solution. There are some patches and a tube of rubber solution in the repair outfit. When Will has repaired his bicycle, he is going to ride it again. Thanks for watching.